Hey YouTube, LiftMaster 1280. Welcome back to my parents' garage. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a little while. I've been busy. And two is, well, there really hasn't been anything that's changed in the garage, so that's why. But that has changed because there are updates in this garage. We'll start with that. So as you can see, that still we still have the Chamberlain smart panel that tells the time and temperature. But that is no longer connected to the Whisper Drive. What's it connected to? Come up here. We got a square rail chain and cable drive. That goes down to the Craftsman 3/4 horse chain drive. 139-54990. That was on the other door in there. It'll focus. Yep, that opener was over there. The reason it's over here is because it's got a stronger motor and the Whisper Drive died. Yeah, it's travel module screwed itself over. I think the power outage fucked it over. So anyway, yep, got a Craftsman chain drive, chain cable. But that's not the only update. So, because the Whisper Drive, which is right here, is dead, and that opener's over there, what could possibly be on this door? Well, you go here, kind of saw a glimpse, but as you can see, let's do that. Move this out of the way. Okay, as you can see, this doesn't do anything. Why? Well, because this is not even compatible with the opener, first of all. And second of all, as you can tell by this, second of all, the little orange connector broke off. So I can't even plug in a wall button, but yeah, that's not even compatible. So you saw a 973LM. What opener could that go to? Well, with the belt drive, one piece T-rail, follow it back to the lovely 2280R. That's right, I got me a 2280R off of Craigslist. Well, it's Facebook Marketplace, but well, 2280R. I need a new logic board for it. It does work, but as you can tell up there, you see, if it'll zoom in, there, you can see some tape. That's because tape is holding the logic board and connector in place temporarily. And obviously I can't connect the wall button, so I need a new logic board for it, but it works for now. So let's start off with the Craftsman 3/4 horse chain drive. Running it with the same Chamberlain smart panel. Here we go. And no, that's not, well, it is missing light bulb, but it's also because the light socket is dead. So we'll go ahead and go back down. Seems to handle the door pretty well. Right to the belt drive. All right, and now we'll go to the 2280R. Using the 973LM. Here we go. That's just cable. A little bit of breeze. All right. And back down. Very quiet as always. Beautiful. All right, we're going to start with the 2280. We are going to put in lockout mode. And we're going to run both openers without doors attached. So you can just hear the motors. Here we go. Very, very quiet as always. Super quiet. All right, click this back in place. Actually, you know what? Let's use the 973 alarm that goes in Mom's car. This was made in July 2004. Here we go. Super quiet. Clicks in place. All right, now I'll do it once with the Craftsman, and that's, we'll do an outside view on the outside view as well. Disconnect that because that's also changed on the outside as well. I'll show you that. They're the same doors, just the keypads have changed. Very quiet as well. This Craftsman's actually pretty quiet, considering it's got a square rail, but I did put the chain spreader on, so that's also changed, so it makes it quieter than that aspect as well. Motor makes a little bit more noise going down than up. And clicked right in place. We'll do outside view, and then that's it. So we'll use the 2280. Alrighty. Turn the release rope, of course. So out here we got my 976 LM that came with the unit. It's only one screw, a wasp, because I can't figure out how to get that off. All right, close it. That coat is temporary, but still. All right, we'll go back in using the wasp. Big door, because it's got a clicker universal keypad. Got a little click from the springs, but otherwise that's about it. All right, we'll go back down. That's it. There we go. Oh, also these safety sensors were replaced on this door as well because the other ones finally died after 21 years of use. They finally died. So there we go, YouTube. There are the updates in my parents' garage. The Craftsman change drive got moved over here, and the 2280R is installed on this door. Hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys later.